attention please. Don't look beside. Don't look. Okay, you look at me. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to say, but I'm sad because the last checkpoint ni. Last checkpoint kita ni. Faham? Understand? Not understand?
Yeah, last point.
Oh, last.
We call the apa yang the place Teluk Mak Delah, the place special corner bertingkat. A table corner.
Table coral.
Table meja. Meja, table corner. Kak, dalam banyak-banyak ke enggak? Dalam banyak-banyak.
Among okay, ayat dia.
Dalam banyak checkpoint.
Okay. In all of the checkpoints.
In all of the checkpoint, this one so beautiful checkpoint. Understand? So now you can get out. In Malay, berambus. Ya. Boleh berambus sekarang. Okay.